Keep on. To continue doing something. Keep on running, and you will catch the bus. Keep on laughing, it's good for you. Talk about. To discuss or mention a topic. We should talk about the budget for our trip. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Head back. To return to place. After the movie, we headed back home. It's getting late, let's head back to the hotel. Pair up. To form a pair or to make two people work together. For the dance, everyone needs to pair up. I was paired up with Sarah for the assignment. Nod off. To fall asleep, especially unintentionally. He nodded off while reading his book. She nodded off on the train and missed her stop. Send off. To mail or dispatch something. Please send off the email as soon as possible. Mom will send off the letter today. Think over. To consider something carefully before making a decision. I need some time to think over your proposal. Before I make a decision, I need to think over my options. Pay back. To return money that was borrowed. I will pay back the money next week. Can you pay me back by the end of the month? Put away. To return something to its proper place. After playing, put away your toys. She put away her books and turned off the light. Hold on. Ask someone to wait a moment. Hold on, I'll be ready in a minute. Hold on a second, I need to tie my shoelaces. Hold on. To maintain a grip on something and not let go. Please hold on to the railing while going down the stairs. Hold on tight, the ride is about to start. Wear out. To become tired. After a long day at work, I feel completely worn out. After the long walk, the dog was worn out. Wear out. To use something until it's no longer usable. These jeans are worn out. My old shoes are worn out, so I need to buy new ones. Leave out. To not include something or someone. Please don't leave me out of the group. I felt left out when my friend didn't invite me to his party. Fix up. To repair or renovate something. I am going to fix up my car this weekend. I need to fix up my old bike before I can ride it again. Fix up. To clean or tidy up. Let's fix up the living room before our guests arrive. Fix up. Arrange a meeting or date. Let's fix up a meeting for next week. Put together. To assemble or build something. We put together the bookshelf in just an hour. Can you help me put this puzzle together? Take apart. To dismantle or disassemble. He took apart the toy car to see how it worked. I will take apart the furniture tomorrow. Pass out. To distribute. The teacher began to pass out the papers at 8:30. Pass out the books to everyone in the classroom. Lay down. To put something down gently. Lay down the baby in her crib gently. Please lay down the book on the table gently. Calm down. To become less angry, excited, or upset. Calm down, everything will be all right. After the argument, I took a deep breath to calm down. Cheer up. To become happier or to make someone feel happier. I bought her ice cream to cheer her up. I hope the good news will cheer you up. Get along. To have a good relationship. They didn't get along at first, but now they are great friends. I don't get along with my supervisor. Knock over. To accidentally hit something so that it falls. She accidentally knocked over her cup of coffee. I knocked over my glass of water, but it was empty. Rush off. To leave a place quickly. He rushed off to school because he was late. She had to rush off to catch her bus.